Get ready, crafty hackers, because we are taking Barbie and her friends on the red carpet. It's time to get glitzy and glamorous for Barbie's night at the Oscars. It's going to be a night to remember, but first, make sure you show us some love by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and clicking the thumbs up button if you liked this video. We're going to need some velvet rope to keep the paparazzi back from the red carpet. Cut a piece of wire and grab this jewelry cap. Wrap the ring around the end of the wire and feed the cap over to meet the ring. Twist to fasten and cut away the extra wire. Give an extra twist inside the piece to secure the wires. You're gonna need a few of these. Next, get some fancy red rope like this. Cut into several even lengths. With adult supervision, glue the ends of the rope to your jewel caps with hot glue. They should look like this when you're done. Now, get a hold of a plastic balloon stick. Divide the stick into 4 pieces. Paint the pieces silver using a stick pushed through the opening to hold it while you paint. Next, grab some of these silver bells. Cut the tops off the bells and glue the silver balloon sticks to the bells, making them into rope stands. Use a large needle and carefully pierce through the other end of the balloon stick. Attach a jewelry ring and fasten it to the end of your velvet rope. Bend it shut with pliers. Repeat with all of the rest of the rope stands. Oscars wall. The celebs need a backdrop for their press pictures, so let's make an Oscars wall. First, measure and cut a wide strip from a piece of thick red paper. Using a ruler, measure and mark triangles in the strip you just cut out. Cut out the triangles and set them aside. Now trace and cut the triangles from a piece of red glitter foam sheet. Print out a little Oscar statue and trace it onto a red triangle. Cut that little guy out. Now, glue your triangles onto a yellow piece of paper and add your triangle with the Oscar cutout near the center of your backdrop. Brush an even layer of craft glue onto a sheet of cardboard. Then glue on a piece of glittery black paper. Get some red velvet fabric and glue it onto the back glitter cardboard piece. Make sure to pleat it by folding it into 1-inch sections and glue each section at the top. Now you've got Oscar curtains. Envelope. You're going to need award envelopes for the ceremony. Trace and cut out this envelope design from a piece of red paper. Glue the flaps on the sides to the inside of the envelope and fold over the top. And the Oscar goes to... We'll have to wait and see. Use a piece of gold tape to close the envelope until the right moment. Microphone. To make the microphone stand, use a wooden dowel. Break it at the top, but not all the way. Just leave it slightly bent. Cut off any extra. Then, wrap black electrical tape around the whole dowel, as you see here. Black Play-Doh makes an excellent microphone. Then, roll a large piece of black Play-Doh and push the stand into it, so it will stand on its own. Push it down to make it sturdy. Reporter's microphone. For this, you'll need some white polymer clay, a toothpick, and a black felt pom-pom. Push the toothpick into the pom-pom and paint the toothpick black. Push the white polymer clay square you formed onto the toothpick. Snip off the extra toothpick piece, and it's ready for all the celebrity interviews. Print an Oscar statue onto a piece of paper, then glue it to a piece of yellow craft paper. Cut out the shape with scissors, and you've got a miniature Oscar statue. Jennifer Lawrence. Let's transform Barbie into one of our favorite movie stars. Put some Play-Doh in the bottom of a glass and push Barbie's feet into the dough to make her stand. Next, paint her body with Mod Podge. Wrap her in toilet paper so it sticks to the Mod Podge. Then apply another coat of Mod Podge on top. Add another layer of toilet paper and another coat of Mod Podge. Now follow the same steps to make the skirt of her gown. Wrap the toilet paper around her waist as well as the glass. Form the toilet paper all the way down, attaching it with Mod Podge. Let's make a train for her dress too. Just keep adding toilet paper until it looks like Jennifer Lawrence's fabulous Oscar gown. Emma Stone. Let's recreate Emma Stone's look too. Trace Barbie's body onto a piece of gold lame fabric. Sew the seams together and slip it onto Barbie's body. Glue on some gold tassels. Switching to this beige color every third row. Add them all the way down to her hips. Now fold the top of her dress over and glue on some gold thread as straps. Cut out an upside-down triangle in the top of her dress. And she is red carpet ready! Nicole Kidman. Drape some red fabric around your doll's body and pin it in the back. Mark the seam and cut away the excess fabric. Now hot glue the seams together. Careful not to burn yourself. Now turn the dress right side out and slip it on. Arms up, Barbie! Mark out spots for Barbie's arms and cut it out. Then glue a strip of fabric to the top of the dress. Fold it over and glue it together. Then wrap it around her neck and tie it in the back. Don't forget to glue the fancy train to the back of the dress. SOFIA BOUTELLA. Measure a piece of white fabric around Barbie's legs and cut it out. Give a bunch of white feathers to the fabric. Measure a piece of aluminum foil to Barbie's body. Then fold it over again and again until you've got about 5 layers of foil. Cut it with scissors. Wrap the foil around Barbie's body and cut away the excess. Form it to fit her waist. Then cut out another thin strip of foil to make the dress straps for her shoulders. Slip the feather skirt up on the inside of the foil dress. And you've got maximum glamour! Tom Hardy. Attach 2 pieces of plastic to a piece of wire, bent to form sunglass frames. Paint them with black nail polish. Make a little bow tie with a piece of black felt, cut into a tiny rectangle, and clinch together in the center. Wrap a piece of black string around the center of the bow tie and glue it to the collar of the shirt. It's time for the ceremony to begin. The celebs are walking the red carpet. And the Oscar goes to Jennifer Lawrence! But with these fabulous outfits, everyone's a winner tonight. How does it feel to be so glamorous? What a magical night here in Hollywood. It's a night full of stars. Thanks for joining us here on the red carpet. We hope you had as much fun as we did bringing Barbie and her friends to the Oscars. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.